So TikTok is the most popular video sharing app right now, or well, YouTube is the most popular video sharing app, but TikTok is the most popular in terms of short videos. So the question you guys probably have right now is, how do you monetize TikTok, or are those TikTok creators actually making money from TikTok? And can you do so as well? Can you join TikTok and make these TikToks and also make money from TikTok? Now, the answer to that question is yes, and there are multiple ways that you can monetize TikTok. And because TikTok is so popular, I'm going to be talking about multiple ways that you could create a TikTok account, create these short videos, and monetize the content to start earning some money online right now. Now, I actually think that TikTok is a very great place to monetize content and to make money because of how extremely popular TikTok has grown to be. And there were some fears earlier on this year or late last year about how TikTok could be banned, but I don't think that TikTok is going to be banned anymore. And so I think that now is a very good time to start creating content on TikTok so that you can monetize that content and make some money online. So, question for you guys. Have you guys already created a TikTok account, and do you make videos on TikTok, and have you ever earned money somehow from TikTok? I want you guys to comment below and tell me what methods you have used to monetize TikTok and how much money you've made from TikTok, or how much money you expect to be earning from TikTok by using the methods you've been using on TikTok. Now, remember guys, when you leave comments down below, it really helps because there are other people who are going to come across this video and they're going to go to the comment section. So if you comment something that's useful, then they'll see your comment, and that can actually help other people out as well. So be sure to drop a comment down below. Now, before I get into all the details here and all the ways that you can actually join TikTok and then make money from TikTok, just a very quick reminder, welcome back to the channel if you're already a subscriber. And if you're not a subscriber and you're new here and you're seeing me for the very first time, my name is Ian, and on this channel, I talk about ways to make money, ways to invest money, credit cards, and everything that has to do with personal finance. So if you like these videos and these topics, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. It's 100% free. And this way, this video can get recommended to other people and can potentially help someone out as well. Also, be sure to consider subscribing to the channel and turning on all notifications. And that way, you'll be able to get the updates every day when I post a new video here. Now, TikTok has what's called the Creator Fund, and this is how they pay their creators. Now, the Creator Fund, or reports have been that from the Creator Fund, TikTok creators are paid in between 2 to 4 cents per 1,000 views. Now, you may be listening and you may be saying 2 to 4 cents per 1,000 views is really a low amount to get paid, but I want you guys to also remember that TikTok is still fairly new and there's a lot of hype around it, and so it's easy to get thousands and hundreds of thousands of views on TikTok as opposed to the YouTube or other video sharing platforms. Now, to be eligible to join the Creator Fund on TikTok, you need to have at least 100,000 views in the last 30 days. So this is actually the first way to make money from TikTok. However, this method may or may not make you a lot of money, because if you get 5 cents per 1,000 views, then to make $5, you'd have to get 100,000 views. Now, a lot of TikTok creators aren't very happy about this because it doesn't really pay a lot when compared to like YouTube, for example. Because on YouTube, you have a CPM of $4 to $5 per 1,000 views, and that's on the lower end because even this small channel has a CPM of around $30. However, TikTok is still great because there are other ways or methods of monetizing TikTok. I'll be talking about some more of these as well, which you can actually use to earn you very good money and not just a couple cents. So the second method of monetizing TikTok, and probably the most used method of monetizing TikTok, is from using or doing brand deals. So brand deals are when brands reach out to you and they'll pay you to make a video or include their products or something about their brand in one of your TikTok videos. Now, the money earned here varies depending on the brand and how much followers you have. So for example, a person who has 100,000 followers will make less on a brand deal or get paid less on the brand deal than the person who has 500,000 followers or even 1,000,000 followers. Now, this is actually a great way to make money, and you can make a lot of money here because I know that on average, creators will charge about 1% of whatever their follower count is in money for a brand deal or a sponsored video. and this goes up to 10%, but it's usually between 1 and 10%. So for example, if a creator has 100,000 followers, then they would charge anywhere between 1% to 10% off 100,000, which is going to be $1,000 to $10,000 for a brand deal or a sponsored video. If you don't believe me, you can check out some very popular influencers like Mr. Beast, who makes anywhere from $20,000 or at least $20,000 anytime he does a brand deal. So if you're watching TikTok and you're seeing creators and you realize that they're making money, they're making a lot of money, this is how these creators are making money on TikTok, and they can make hundreds to thousands of dollars every single month or even every single day by doing simple brand deals in their short TikTok video. Now, the other way of making money from TikTok is actually doing live videos. So if you're on TikTok and you're doing a live stream, and by the way, you can only do a live stream if you have at least 1,000 followers, right? So if you're doing a live stream, your viewers can actually send you gifts, which is similar to what they can do on YouTube live streams. So they could send you gifts, and these gifts can range from a panda, which is 5 coins, all the way up to a drama queen, which is 5,000 coins. And then when you collect all these coins, you can actually convert these coins to cash and get paid to your PayPal account. So this works by you receiving coins as gifts in your live streams, and then you convert the coins into something that TikTok calls diamonds, and diamonds are worth 50% of the value of the coins. So for example, just to make sense of this now, if you did a live stream and you got some gifts and the gifts were equal to, let's say, 100 coins, then those 100 coins could be converted into 50 diamonds. So whatever the coins are, you get 50% of that in diamonds. Now, after getting 50% in diamonds, TikTok will then take half of that 50%, so you're only left with about 25%. So for example, if you got 100 coins, you would convert them to diamonds, and then you would have 50 diamonds, and then TikTok would take 50% of that 50, leaving you with only $25 worth of cash to get in your PayPal account. So that's the simplest way to explain it. I know it sounds complicated and strange, coins, diamonds, and then it will be divided by 50% twice, and then converting it to cash, but that's also another way that you can make money on TikTok. And actually, people can send you gifts. They can send you I'm very rich gift, which is worth 1,000 coins, which means that that would be worth 500 diamonds, and that would be equal to $250 in cash. And also the drama queen, which is the most coins that you can get as a gift in TikTok, is 5,000 coins. And then you convert that to diamonds and you'd have 50%, so you'd have 2,500 coins. And then TikTok would take half of that, so you'd be left with $1,250. So you can actually make some good money here. It's just a little complicated, but this is another method of making money from TikTok videos. Now, the final method of making money on TikTok that I want to share with you guys is actually the same method that you would use to make money on any other social media platform, and that is by having your own product or promoting your own product on that social media platform. So just as how you could do this on Instagram, for example, or on YouTube, where you can make posts or videos about the products that you created or a service that you created, and then market that to your viewers or your followers. You can actually do the very same thing on TikTok, and then you can direct sales, and depending on the price of your product or service, you can make money by doing that. This brings us to affiliate marketing as well. Now, you guys may already know that I'm big on affiliate marketing, and so if you don't have your own products or services, you could actually use affiliate marketing and make money from TikTok, but this does require that you actually have a large following. So you'd want to get on TikTok, you'd want to create videos, and you'd want to build an audience, probably at the very minimum of at least 10,000 followers, and then you could start promoting affiliate products or services on TikTok. Now, you can do this with Amazon affiliates, or you could do ClickBank or any affiliate program that you like. Now, there's also one more method of making money on TikTok, and I wasn't going to mention it in this video, but I'll go ahead and I'll say it right here. So you can actually create TikTok accounts and sell them and do like a TikTok account flipping service, but I think that this is actually illegal. It's against the TOS or terms of service, but people still do it, just like on Instagram, where people will create accounts and they'll make daily posts on these accounts, and they'll grow the accounts to get an audience of probably 1,000 followers, 10,000 followers, probably even 100,000 followers. And then once they get some high amount of followers on that social media platform or page, they will then sell that page to someone else who is looking for an account. So for instance, if you wanted to go on TikTok, you'd realize that it's going to probably take you weeks or even months to get 1,000 or 100,000 followers. However, you could probably just pay someone $500 for an account that has 500,000 followers or 100,000 followers, and that way you can immediately start to market your products or services, or you can immediately start to get brand deals and monetize that TikTok account. So you or anyone else could create these TikTok accounts and grow them over weeks or months, and then flip them and sell them for a profit. Now, I don't think that this is a good method because, as I said before, this is actually, or I think it's against the TOS, so I wouldn't recommend this method, but I think there are people who are still doing it in 2021, and they make good money from doing it this way. Now, I personally don't have a TikTok account as yet, but I've been thinking about creating a TikTok account, and I think I'm going to get that done this year. I'll probably repurpose content from YouTube on that TikTok account, and then we'll see how that works and see how much money I could possibly make from TikTok. Now, TikTok is still fairly new, and I think there is a lot of growth to be experienced on TikTok, so you guys should definitely try this out if you're trying to make money online. So there you have it, a couple ways that you can monetize TikTok, or if you've seen other influencers on TikTok and they seem to be making a lot of money and you couldn't understand how they were making this money, well, this is how they do it. They probably use one or all of these methods to make money on TikTok, and they make a lot of money by doing it this way. If you have a TikTok account or any experience with making money on TikTok, I want you to comment below and tell me how much followers you currently have on TikTok, how long it took you to get that amount of followers, how do you monetize your TikTok content, and give me a rough idea of how much money you make or how much money you think you could be making from TikTok very soon. As always, guys, thanks for watching. I hope this video helps you to understand more about TikTok and how you can use TikTok to make some money this year. And if you have any questions, comment below, let me know what they are. Give this video a thumbs up if you like the content. Also subscribe if you haven't already done so. Turn on all the notifications so you can get the updates when I post new videos. And remember guys, I post a new video on this channel every single day. Be sure to also check all the links down below in the description for free and helpful stuff, which includes Webull, where if you sign up using the link below and deposit $100 into your investment account, you can get 2 free stocks, which can be anything valued up to $1,600. So be sure to check out Webull if you haven't already done so. Once again, thanks for watching. All the best with making money on TikTok, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.